As a petermbah collect people land and give to Nigerian army, to Fulani herdsmen. So people collect his filling station and give to fire to consume. Pinnacle oil, petermbah, etc., etc. This is a lesson to petermbah. This is eye opener to petermbah that power belongs to the people. Power belongs to the people. How can your people, you say your people elect you to represent them, and their watchful eye, the people that elect you to represent them, to speak good for them, they are be destroying. You are not saying anything. They have been destroying. Even you yourself, map out, shadow a program, signing into law to collect the land of your people to strangers to give them. With people from their ancestral homeland. Now, this is not the first time attempt on petermbah filling station. There was a time motor in that filling station were burned, destroyed. People rumored, petermbah filling station have burned down. They left the filling station and burned the cars, motors around it, to give him a signal warning that he should amend his way. He should know how to handle the citizens or indigenes of Enugu State. He should not be an arrow of destruction to the people of Enugu State. He continued. Finally, the people that mean business, the people that want to teach him lesson, the people that want to tell him that his ruling in Enugu State doesn't favor the indigenes of Enugu State, they are not happy with him. They carried out assignment of first warning. This is a very serious assignment of first warning. If he's a wise man, as he claimed that he's a wise man, this should teach him lesson. He should learn from this that the people he's fighting against, the people he's working against them, and the pretending that he's protecting them, the people are not happy with him. You understand? Insecurity. The governors of Southeast are the insecurity, including Mbah is part of the insecurity. This is why it's affecting him. If you are good to the people you are governing, they will never be against you. Tomorrow night, Petermbah will say, it's an IPOB. It's someone Ekpa. Take him on. Kill people send him to him. As if you see someone Ekpa face to face, as if he can talk. I'm telling you honestly, if Petermbah did not amend his way, maybe, I'm not saying it will be, maybe more than this will still come onto him. You understand?
So you should put in more effort, as regards security in Enugu State. Is that what you're trying to say? More effort.
In short, if you vote for him, let him resign.
Why should he resign? Is he not doing well?
No. He's not doing well. The people are not happy with him. Ifeanyi Ugwowo was there. Since although Ifeanyi Ugwowo was a whipping governor, when Fulani herdsmen killed, he go to Abuja and cry to Buhari and come back. But the violence, the insecurity that Petermbah created wasn't that time. Ifeanyi Ugwowo was governor of Enugu State. It was insecurity was worse now. Killing, grabbing of land, burning communities, clearing farmland is the worst now in Petermbah section. And remember, Petermbah wasn't the one that won the election in 2023. Petermbah wasn't the one. It was Labour Party won the election.
Enugu State.
Enugu State, Labour Party won the election overnight. Fulani government of Nigeria that was in power. Fulani INEC chairman, Mahmoud Yasin.
But Petermbah is PDP.
PDP. Imo State is not PDP. I mean, Abia State is not PDP.
Abia State, no, Labour Party.
Abia State was PDP, Labour Party won them. Enugu State was PDP, Labour Party took over. Like now, in Edo now, you see that the Labour will take over in Edo.
No, but the people want PDP.
Eh?
The people want PDP.
Listen, both the PDP, APC have failed the Nigerians. These two parties are nothing to reckon as a good party anymore in Nigeria. So they just are trying to look a new, fresh, better party that can lead them to their promised land, that can lead them out of wilderness, of hunger, of destruction, of anarchy, wilderness of killing, wilderness of kidnapping, wilderness of increasing fuel every morning.
Illegally, unlawful.
Unlawful. Wilderness that there's no human rights. Wilderness that you wake up and be thinking of what you will be eating throughout the whole day. If you see water to drink, you thank God. So party doesn't mean now in Nigeria. What means that the party will perform well? You understand? Very soon, PDP will die naturally, as Apaga have died naturally. I know Apaga in the Imo State have died naturally. So very soon, PDP will die naturally. APC is just struggling. And as he's struggling, he's giving people a headache. People continue drinking aspirin, having stomach ulcer. So petermbah should do what? To resign. Look, I'm not saying I'm happy of what happened. But sometimes something push something to happening. And now, what he did, as I said, he be crying now. It's Simon Ekpa. It's Simon Ekpa. It's agitators. They're insecurity. They're very. When himself is in the main insecurity, he's the one creating the insecurity. They're punishing the people that he said that vote them, vote him in. Today, filling station. Tomorrow, who know what will be. And this is, if this one is part of lockdown of government access in Biafra land, I think it's part of it. I think it's part of it. Monday sit at home, petermbah will say no. Other people, they will go and be locking people's shop, that you don't open shop for them. Monday sit at home, petermbah ordered Nigerian security agent, go and start closing people's shop that they did not open. Is it how democracy operates? You don't open the shop in them. You do not give them any allowance. No entitlement from they are giving to them. And they decided to sit at home to rest for 1 Monday. You should order to go and lock their shop down. That one is not good. In the process, I think 2 or 3 people dead. That you think that people will feel happy seeing you. Now, I still don't want people to sit at home on Mondays to relax. Now, people have made him, we make him to sit at home. He himself to sit at home. This is a very big lesson to all the who call themselves Southeast governor, Nigerian governors in Biafra, Nigerian politicians in Biafra. This is the beginning of their sorrow. This is the beginning of their sorrow. It shall come. They will see. Because it's too much for them. They're not what they claim they are in Biafra land. It's not what they are. They are the main oppressors, not the Fulani, not the government of Nigeria. But these governors in Imo State, these governors in the Southeast, governors, Nigerian governors in Biafra land, Nigerian politicians in Biafra land, they are the major oppressors, oppressing Biafran people, on keeping nnamdikanu where he is, fighting against someone who don't want to Biafra restoration. They are the major oppressors. And as they're oppressing, people will turn up to oppress them. Now people have turned up to start with petermbah to oppress him. Very important, it will be Zodema.
Last week, in a minute. But as they've done this to petermbah now, do you not see them causing more havoc, to petermbah, and also just like you said just now, you don't see them doing it to other, Southeast governors or politicians, if they don't stop or try to, get the people that the perpetrators, people that committed this offense,
not the perpetrators. This is the anger of the people, not perpetrators. This is the anger of the people. The governors Politicians in Biafra land are the one causing havoc to the people. That's why people put resistance. This is the people's resistance against oppressors, not havoc. People's resistance against oppressors, not havoc. Not havoc at all at all. People are putting resistance now to say oppressors. No. If you cannot get you on your security convoy, we can get something that will pay you. As a petermbah collect people land and give to Nigerian to Fulani helpsmen. So people collect his filling station and give to fire to consume.
I will never agree, and I don't agree with Oluremi and her husband Tinubu, and I will never, as an Igbo man, agree with the duo. The duo has brought Nigeria economy to cripple, to its cripple, meaning Nigeria economy is crippled as a result of the kind of administration policies that Tinubu is running currently. Then, what is it that must have at least gingered Oluremi Tinubu to come out with fabricating a structure or something like that, you know, and significantly interpret it into unification of Nigerian nation? A woman that is not supposed to be a mother of children, a woman that has given birth as a woman, and still Nigerian children are suffering, dying of kwashiorkor. Imagine the kind of policy her husband is coming out with that is killing Nigerians. Go to North, Almajeris, people's children are dying. I've seen with my naked eyes a man forming cast from fufu, dishing it in gutter and swallowing it. Do you know what it means? That is the highest inhumanity of man against his fellow man. Is to seize the economy, bring it down, and the citizens are dying, and you are there enjoying in yachts. You are buying yachts. You are buying Toyota SUV. You are buying aircraft worth of trillions. Your lawmakers are enjoying bogus salaries, enjoying money in billions. They are the one handling most of the projects and contracts across the country. All the constituencies in Nigeria, it is the lawmakers that are handling all the projects going to those constituencies. It's under your own regime, and we are not investigating these lawmakers. You are not coming out with good policy that will favor every canali in Nigeria. What you after is just stacking your account both home and abroad with naira and foreign currencies. Laundering money in the United States, laundering money in the UK, laundering money in China, laundering money in Malta. Being the official owner of our dear NNPC. The foreign refinery in Malta that is refining oil is being owned, managed by Tinubu's family. And Oluremi is coming out with fabrication. He want to fabricate Nigerian unity. Fabrication. Oluremi Tinubu, fabrication. Fabrication into what? Fabricating Nigeria into chaos. Political chaos. Social chaos. Religious chaos. Economic chaos. It's fabricating Nigeria. She's fabricating Nigeria into all these aforementioned. Is not a woman of virtue. A pastor in Redeem that has not seen anything good with humanity. Tinubu and Oluremi, her husband, Oluremi and Tinubu, her husband, have succeeded on demising, disaliving humanity. There's nothing like humanity from her angle. What she knows right now is how to what? Disprosper Igbo man, decimate Igbo man, destroy their property, and chase them out of Lagos. What she said in the past has now resurrected, crawling after her. Wherever she goes, those curses, those abuses, those Igbophobia crawls along with her wherever she goes. So let me tell you, I don't believe in any fabrication by any woman called Oluremi Tinubu that might bring unity into this country. What is going to bring unity into this country is love. Love is not Oluremi Tinubu fabrication. No. It is not Ghana must go. It is not yachts, nor presidential jets that will bring unity to Nigeria. What will bring unity to Nigeria is when you see Igbo man as yourself, Igbo man see you as himself. That is love. It's not a sort of whereby Yoruba man will come and say, "Now we are not we are not bastard. We are not bastard. Now we know Nigeria. We get Nigeria Miloko. Now you they call. You don't they call in a jack Kubo from Eko. Emiloko. Monako. Iko Wagubo. You will go to Nigeria. Kawazian Ubo. Emiloko. Yeah, Joko cover. Jacoba Ubo. Keep on koala Ubo. Janako Ubo. Emiloko Nkonko. See, fabrication is fabricating Nigeria into what? Jagbajastic country. Nigeria is now being fabricated by Oluremi into Jagbajastic. Yes. Or guys, you know Jagbajastic, if you just look at the country, it's Jaga now. Jagbajastic, Jagajastic Intete. That's what Nigeria is now. See everybody now, nobody is enjoying Nigeria. A bag of rice, don't you know what it costs? A bag of this, can you buy that one? Oga, can you afford a bag of Ekpa? Can you afford a bag of Ekpa? I'm just telling you, a bag of garri is expensive now. You are fabricating Nigeria. You are fabricating Nigeria. Emiloko. Abi, can you eat beans now? See this woman, go buy beans there. It's not expensive. Everything is expensive, and they are enjoying there. They are enjoying their motor, better motor where they buy. You know, no say those motor where they drive. Some of them worth $250,000. Especially that the yacht they bought running into several millions. They're talking about a yacht of millions of dollars, and we are dying in hunger. Penury. Absolute penury. Impoverishment. Nigerians are dying, and we are spending lavishing money on jewelries, on cars, on aircraft and yachts. A yacht that floats from Atlantic Ocean to Indian Ocean to Pacific Ocean to Arab Sea, Mediterranean Sea. What do you gain when Nigerians are dying? These people are busy. These are living humanity. Nothing like humanity on their diary. No. They don't have love. They don't have conscience. The only consciousness these people have is money, wealth, opulence, amassing wealth. Are you going to use money when you die? Even if they bury you with $20 billion, are you going to use it there? Then they use money in heaven. In the realm of spirit, you go use money in that place. That's why you are denying Nigeria all the basic needs. Mama and papa, children, everybody, hungry in Nigeria. And somebody is telling me that I am fabricating unity. I am fabricating. Fabricate love. Fabricate good economy. Fabricate good governance. Fabricate good humanity. Just we need humanity, benevolence, and general what blessings is what is needed in this country. Philanthropism, general benevolence. It eludes our politicians. We don't need anybody that is coming out to tell us they are fabricating unity, Nigeria into unity. How could you fabricate unity when you don't have love? You don't love your fellow man. You don't love your fellow Nigeria. You are talking about fabricating Nigeria. Nigeria will be patient. You are sleeping on top of gold. Many people are sleeping on gota here, eating gota, water from gota. All of you are just enjoying their Nigeria. See, the very day Nigerians will get themselves, they will wake up, all roads will lead to where? National House of Assembly, the lower House of Representatives, and the presidential villa. Oga, soldiers, police, DSS, all the military forces in Nigeria will take off on their hill. They will take to their hill, and everybody will have a field day that day. That is when Nigeria will become a Nigeria. What we are having this time around is animal farm, animal kingdom. We are in the jungle, survival of the fittest, yes? Survival of the fittest, right? Is that what they say? Survival of the fittest, yes.
Yes.
See, listen, it's just like chain of a thing. Whereby you have snake going after locusts. I don't know what I understand. While those birds that are preying on snakes, then those ones, higher animals that are preying on birds, the kind of life we are living in Nigeria, it circles, it rotates. Rich politicians in Nigeria, they don't want the poor ones. Poor politicians in Nigeria are being looked down on, dreaming to get to the higher position, to loot more. Nigerian, though, sorry.
Do you not think Remi is doing this what she's doing because of genuine she has this genuine heart, and at the same time do you not think she's regretting her past action against the Igbos?
Okay, Tinubu's wife is not regretting anything. Do you know what it takes to be a woman? Okay, when you see a woman, you will know. A woman will see a crying child. She doesn't know that child crying. She will stoop down and pick him or her, cuddle her. I don't know what I understand. That's a woman for you. Not every woman will see a crying child and stoop down and pick it. Okay, there are women that are not supposed to be housewives. There are women that are not supposed to be women. She is one. She is one, the major one, absolutely. Without blemish, she is one. She doesn't have human feeling. Don't say she has a heart of gold. What do you mean? Do you know how many years she has been in the upper house of legislative chamber? Cutting away money that belongs to that part of constituency in Lagos State. You are telling me that she has heart of gold. What kind of heart of gold is that? And it's not done. Here she has found herself today. After going to altar call, after celebrating, giving testimony in the church. Hey, that God has done it for him. Now that God has done it for him, is she not siphoning money from the public scoffer? You see the kind of Christians we have in Nigeria, and most of them are pastors in the government, in the high positions. They turn their back on their Christian brothers. All they do is they go to their churches and pay tithes. God does not accept money, bloody money as tithes. That is one thing you should know. The public fund you siphoned, embezzled, you went direct to the altar to pay tithe to God. It's a lie. God doesn't accept it. These are wicked Nigerian politicians. I believe you could have understood what happened in the past when Yemi Ochibanjo, a pastor, prime one, senior pastor in Redeem, become a Nigerian vice president, and the country was on fire. Yemi Ochibanjo was very, very, very insensitive to Nigerians, their cries, their yearnings, their requests, their appealings. What they are asking for, Yemi Ochibanjo did not answer to it. Wait, for me, when I rule in the high place, when I become a politician, finish, I go back to house of God and go serve him. I have retired now from the church. I'm not serving God again. Wait, I will go after politicking, making my money from the office of the presidency. After making my money, I will go back to church and become pastor. And today, you Christians, you are not seeing it. You are praying for the same politicians, praying for them to be strong, to loot money and bring you down. You Christians, do you have sense? Okay, you can see what is flooded on the social media recent time where everybody is taunting Lord choosing. Because somebody come to the church and give testimony of what God has done for him. Nigerian Christians started mocking him. They are mocking Lord choosing. They are not mocking Tinubu. They are not mocking Boko Haram. They are not mocking Chetima. They are not mocking the political leaders that have put us in this position. Now, Lord chooses members that came to give testimony. Now, it be Nigerian problem now. They are mocking them, taunting them on social media. They could not come on social media and tell the world what our crooked politicians are doing to us. Now, they have turned themselves against Christianity, mocking Christ, trying to disalive him again after disaliving him on the cross. Nigerian people, see, let me tell you, we've come a long way to actually decide that the only option for Nigeria to be good is for everybody to go their different ways. That's why I still become one of the strongest advocates of Biafran nation. Come what may, what Ekpa is doing in this Northern America is accepted by me. Likewise, every other good Igbo brothers. Ekpa has finished his work, and what remains is what? Manifestation of that good work. The first Jewish black state is coming.